welcome back to Oils with Lynn. If you love natural wellness and essential oils, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the best blends for muscle relief and relaxation. It's AromaTouch, also known as the massage blend. If you've got sore muscles, tension, or even restless legs, you're gonna want to hear this. Now picture this, you've had a long day, your back is tight, your neck is stiff, and maybe your legs just won't settle down at night. Imagine rubbing a calming, soothing oil that quickly helps your muscles relax and your blood start flowing. That's AromaTouch. AromaTouch is a powerful blend of 6 essential oils. Cypress, great for circulation and cramping. Peppermint, cooling and relieving. Marjoram, a muscle soother and pain reliever. Basil, calming to tension. Grapefruit, energizing. And lavender, so good for calm and relaxation. Together, these oils work to relieve discomfort, renew tired muscles, and promote healthy circulation. Can you see why it's perfect for massage? This blend is fabulous for anyone dealing with muscle tension, aches, cramps, or soreness, headaches, especially from neck or shoulder tightness, arthritis, or joint discomfort, even neuropathy or restless leg syndrome. You can apply it to the legs or feet to help stimulate nerves and encourage blood flow. Just apply a drop or two to the area of concern. Whether it's your back, neck, hands, legs, or feet, you can use it on its own or with a carrier oil for a bigger area and an even smoother massage experience. One of my favorite ways to use it is at night before bed. You can rub AromaTouch into your shoulders, your legs, and after a long day, it helps with the whole body to unwind. Oh, and here's another family favorite. Many of us in our family, we love to add 5 to 7 drops of AromaTouch into your bath water while the water's still running. It turns your soak into a full body spa experience, soothing your muscles, calming your mind, and boosting circulation all at once. If you've never tried AromaTouch, now's the perfect time. You can grab a bottle by clicking on the link below. And today, as a thank you for watching, you can get a free digital ebook with 5 pain soothing hacks. It's packed with natural ways to calm discomfort so you can get back to doing what you love. Just look in the description for your free download. Take some time to care for your body. You deserve it. I'll see you in the next video with more natural wellness tips.